Hi, this is Mrs. A of Math A Matic. Today we are going to learn about rectangular coordinate system. The rectangular coordinate system or Cartesian plane is formed by a horizontal number line known as the x-axis. So ayan ang horizontal number line, ang tawag dyan ay x-axis, at ang vertical number line naman ang tawag ay y-axis, na kung saan nagmi-meet sila or nag-intersect sila sa point called the origin. So, origin ang tawag dyan. Now, the plane is divided into 4 regions or known as quadrants. So, dito, nahati na ngayon yung plane sa 4 quadrants. That's quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. So, counterclockwise. And now, any point on the Cartesian plane is composed of x and y coordinates known as ordered pair. So, the first here should be the value of x and this is y. Now, that x is also known as abscissa, the x-coordinate here or known as abscissa, and the y-coordinate is also known as ordinate. Now, in the first quadrant, the points here, the value of x here are positives because from the origin going to the right are positive numbers, from the origin going to the left are negative numbers, from the origin up that is positive, and from the origin down that is negative numbers. And now, the sign of the ordered pair in the first quadrant is positive, both positive. X is positive, y is positive, which means the abscissa and the ordinate. In the second quadrant, negative and positive. So here, because this going to the left are negative numbers, so negative and positive going up. And then on the third quadrant, we have negative and negative. The sign of x is negative and the sign of y is negative. And then in the fourth quadrant, x here or the abscissa is positive and the ordinate or the y-coordinate is negative. The origin, the coordinates of the origin is 0, 0. X is 0 and or the abscissa is 0 and the y coordinate is 0. Okay, now what I want you now to give the ordered pairs of the following points on the plane. So mayroon ako ditong 4 points here. I want you to give the points. So from here, from the origin, you can count 1, 2, 3. So that's the value of x, 3. And then going up, that is 1, 2. So the x is 3, and then going up, that is 2. So the ordered pair is 3, 2. Can you do the rest? Okay. So what about I? For I, we have negative 5, 2. So from the origin, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's x, negative because going to the left. And then going up, 1, 2. So that is the coordinate or the y-coordinate is 2. Letter S, we have negative 3, negative 4. And letter E, we have 5, positive and negative 5. Now, I want you to identify the quadrants or axes of the following ordered pairs. So, number 1, S, negative 3, 6. Number 2M, point M, 5, 2, number 3, point A, 0, 6, number 4, R, negative 2, negative 4, and number 5, T, 7, 0. Okay, so number 1, that is in quadrant 2. Number 2, that is quadrant 1. Number 3, it's on the y-axis because x is 0, and then from 0 going up, that is 6. So that is on the y-axis. And negative 2, negative 4, that is on quadrant 3. And then 7, 0, 7 is x, and it didn't go up or down, 0, which means on the x-axis. Now, if you have a graphing paper or any paper, if you want to do this one, I want you to plot the following points on Cartesian plane. So A, negative 4, 0, B, 3, 3, and C, negative 4, negative 6. Okay? So for A, it should be there. So why? Because x is negative 4. So from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then y is 0. So it didn't move up or down. So stays there, which is on the x-axis. For letter B, that is here, 3 is the value of x, and y is also 3, or the abscissa and ordinate. So that is letter B. And letter C, we have negative 4 for x. So from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 4. And since this is negative, so going down 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's letter C. That's how you're going to plot the points on Cartesian plane. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Bye-bye. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share my videos.